We figured out our languages work similarly. Both camera, Skibidi, and speaker scientists worked on this device to try and
Then I
save
said,
Unit in
just because
critical
I'm a robot
condition.
doesn't
Take
mean
him
I'm
to the
bad at
hospital
it.
right now. Then he
I
clapped
see
back with
that on
some
the
you're
roof,
ugly
nothing
as
was
hell.
worried. Like, buddy, I'm not ugly at
It
all.
was a very noisy day at the base. Give me that. I need to interrogate some Skibidi toilets.
Ah, why the hell do you have more? I just came back from 30 hours of teleporting. You both right.
There's no point. He's already found your base.
You snitch! I'll kill you!
Disgusting creature. Just one bit of your power kills you. Stop yapping, he's already dead. Get the frick back in pod.
Are you even the same goddamn person?
Shut the hell up and stay out of my way.
Damn, bro, what did I do to you?
Charging mode activated.
Base is under attack. I repeat, base is under attack.
We needed more time.
Astroductors spotted not far away.
Looks like they don't want to settle. Nice isn't gonna do crap. Scorpions killed them all.
Bad.
No, please, spare me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Nice. Ah!
What does it kill you? Gives you all. Hell yeah.
Yeah, this is Thriller Night. Yeah.
Well done, King. Yeah, good one, Mike.
Looks like we got a problem.
Y'all go in base. We'll buy you some time.
Fools, you have no idea what's coming.
Forgive me. I have become more Doom. Watchman of Doom. this metal in me is extraordinary. I need to scan this right now. Oh, why? Why must you do this?
Stop crying. Little baby. You're bad. And bad have power. See me sitting on the throne? Take some notes, buddy. No, I have to do this.
Why must this happen? We are at our best. We were at our best. Why? All that stolen technology did crap.